Hey guys, HostGator says its AI website builder can create a professional website in just minutes. So I wanted to see what happens when you actually try to build a real website, not just a demo page, right? Does it genuinely save time, or do you end up spending hours fixing what the AI creates? In this video, I will walk you through the entire experience, what impressed me, what slowed me down, and the first limitations I ran into before the site was even finished. Let's get started. Now, the process starts exactly how you'd expect. The AI asks a few questions about your business, your industry, and the type of website you want to create. Within a couple minutes, right, it generates a complete website draft with a homepage, navigation menu, images, headlines, service sections, and contact information. If you've never built a website before, this first impression is genuinely impressive. Instead of staring at a blank canvas, you already have something that looks like a real business website. Now, visually, the AI does a respectable job. The layouts are clean, modern, and mobile friendly, with logical sections like hero banner, about us, services, testimonials, contact form. Right? It also generates placeholder text that's relevant to the type of business you selected. At first glance, it feels like you've skipped several hours of manual work, but that's where the easy part ends, right? The first thing I wanted to change was the text, right? While the AI generated copy was readable, it felt very generic. The headlines lacked personality, the service descriptions could apply to almost any business, and the calls to action or CTAs weren't especially persuasive. In other words, the AI gave me a decent first draft, but not content I'd want to publish without editing. If you care about branding or conversions, you'll almost certainly end up rewriting large portions of the copy. Now, the next issue was customization. The stock images looked professional, but they didn't reflect a real business. And replacing them with my own photos immediately made the website feel more authentic. The same applied to colors, fonts, and branding, right? The AI gave me a polished starting point, but creating a unique identity still required manual work, human work. That's not necessarily a flaw, it's just something new users should expect. Now, the third limitation is that everything went smoothly until I wanted to add more advanced functionality, which takes us to the third limitation. Simple pages were easy, but once I started thinking about things like custom forms, complex booking systems, membership areas, or more advanced integrations, it became clear that the AI isn't designed for those tasks. It's excellent at creating a foundation, but it doesn't replace a full featured web development platform, right? Now, despite those limitations, there are areas where it genuinely shines. It saves time by creating the initial layout, organizing page sections logically, generating starter content, helping beginners launch faster, removing the fear of starting from a blank page. For many small businesses, that's enough to dramatically speed up the website creation process. Now, HostGator AI is ideal if you are building your first website, creating a portfolio, launching a small business site, making a simple landing page, looking for the fastest way to get online. If you're building a highly customized website with advanced functionality, you will likely outgrow the AI builder fairly quickly. So, after building a real site with HostGator AI, here's my takeaway. The AI didn't fail because it created a bad website. It struggled because it can only take you so far. The layout was solid, the setup was fast, the design looked professional, right? But the content, branding, and advanced customization still required human input. That's why I see HostGator AI as a productivity tool, not a complete replacement for thoughtful website design. If you treat it as a starting point rather than a finished product, you'll probably have a much better experience. Now, if you're thinking about trying HostGator AI website builder, Check the link in the description to explore its latest features and hosting plans. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more honest software and hosting reviews, and let me know in the comments what's the first thing you'd use an AI website builder to create. Thanks for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.